Xinxiang Lifeierte Filter Cooperative Limited was established in 2008, focusing on fluid environmental protection industry, specialized in researching, manufacturing, and selling on oil filters, air filters, and water filters. Lifeierte is a public listed of new over-the-counter market and high-tech enterprise in China. Stock number is 837936. We always strive quality and innovation. Have obtained ISO 9001, ISO 14001, OHSAS 18001, and come to a long-term cooperation agreement with Henan Institute of Technology. Got 2 invention patents, 57 utility model patents, and registered trademark Lifeierte. We cooperate with metallurgy industry, petrochemical industry, power plant, paper mill, and other industries that are related with oil, air, and water filtration. Have supplied over 30,000 clients in over 70 countries all over the world. Lifeierte adheres to purifying the environment, serving the society, operating with integrity, pursuing excellence. We will vigorously promote the spirit of unity, pragmatism, dedication, efficiency, and innovation, and strive to feed back the world with green grasslands, beautiful mountains, clear rivers, and blue sky. Looking into the future, Lifeierte will accelerate the pace of technological innovation, build a world-class team, and become a world-famous enterprise at the fastest speed, making new contributions to the revitalization and development of national industry. Join hands with science and technology to realize China creation and build Chinese dream together.